Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Watering Watermelon Open collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels listed below and hit the like button and subscribe. Today I'm going to be making a lovely little home sweet home watermelon sign for my kitchen. It'll be refreshing to see the happy little sign every time I come and go or while I'm spending time in my kitchen. The red watermelon center isn't quite dry yet, but that's okay. I can go ahead and paint on the green rind of the watermelon. Now that all of my paint is dry, I'm going to take a Sharpie marker and I'm going to go around and start drawing on the wonderful little watermelon seeds. I found this lovely little wooden plaque at Walmart in the craft section. It was only $1.12. I'm going to get it painted up to look just like a watermelon. I have this awesome Sharpie white paint marker and I'm going to shake this up and then I'm going to write my message on the watermelon. It will read, Home Sweet Home. I think a red and white string or a beautiful red and white check ribbon will be the perfect thing to glue on the back of this lightweight little watermelon plaque. It'll be easy to hang this up anywhere. I'm going to take my little watermelon plaque and I'm going to put it in this little wooden stand. It's so cute sitting in my kitchen. This cute little watermelon plaque gives me so much joy every time I walk by and see it. It totally reminds me of summer. I'm so glad you were here. I had such a wonderful time participating in this really fun collaboration. Be sure to check out the participating channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.